Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best fish poachers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Norpro Fish Poacher Stainless Steel. Norpro has designed this fish poacher with a great durable steel quality. The two stainless steel handles are well equipped with the fish poacher for carrying purpose. The product comes with a stainless steel lid for keeping the moistest texture of the fish. The function of the rack is to support the fish from breakage during cooking. The perforated rack also helps in stock drainage nicely. The outer measurement of the item 20.5 by 6.125 by 5 inches, 52 centimeters by 15.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters. The inner measurement of the tray -17 inches by 5.5 by 4 inches, 43 centimeters by 14 centimeters by 10 centimeters. The product is oval-shaped with rounded walls and narrower inside. Individuals who are weight conscious and are planning to go for low-caloric fish poaching can go for this product. The basic functionality of the Norpro fish poacher is to support poaching a whole fish while maintaining the aroma and the calorie count low. Not only fish can be poached in this product, but if you are a boiled veggie lover, this item suits that as well. At number 4. A stainless steel fish steamer. Made of stainless steel, cooking surface spreads heat quickly and distribute evenly. The polished surface with heat-proof design handle is easy to clean. Perfect for steaming fish, seafood, cornbread, potato, coarse grains, cereals, vegetables, eggs. Can also roast boil soup and noodles. Come with glass cover, ceramic plate, stainless steel rack and chuck. Steaming fish in the ceramic pan. Use the chuck to clip the plate up, ensures that none of heat touches. The pot can be used on all cooking surfaces including induction cooktop, electric stovetops, portable stoves, gas burners, glass and ceramic. At number 3. RSVP International Endurance Stainless Steel Fish Poacher. RSVP strives to offer quality kitchen products and cooking tools at competitive prices. Our RSVP Endurance Stainless Steel Fish Poacher is a perfect example. This versatile, large fish poacher pan is made from commercial quality stainless steel. With this fabulous poacher, you will get tender, flavorful, and healthy results each time you use it. Prepare an elegant meal of whole salmon, snapper, or striped bass, just to name a few, or cook vegetables with a fish steak or fillets, and serve over hot rice. The poacher allows for attractive, healthy meals that are quick, easy and delicious. Constructed of durable stainless steel, it can be used in the oven or across 2 burners on the stovetop. The removable inner rack's long handles make it easy to lift out cooked dish without us flaking apart. Measures 18 inches in length by 7 inches wide by 4-1/2 inches tall. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. When all the right people and ingredients, kitchen tools, and food come together, we call this the art of gathering. At number 2. EGLIFT 8QT Stainless Steel Fish Steamer. Made of 304 stainless steel, cooking surface spreads heat quickly and distribute evenly. The polished surface with heat-proof design handle is easy to clean. Perfect for steaming fish, seafood, cornbread, potato, coarse grains, cereals, vegetables, eggs. Can also roast boil soup and noodles. Come with glass cover, ceramic plate, stainless steel rack and chuck. Steaming fish in the ceramic pan. Use the chuck to clip the plate up, ensures that none of heat touches. 8QT large capacity can cooking something large items such as roast turkey, complete big fish. Or reheat multiple items at once to save time. Pot size. 15.2 in length, 11 in width, 4.5 in height. Use in gas stove, electric ceramic and halogen stove, induction cooker. Dishwasher safe. Stainless steel parts oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and glass lid to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally at number 1. KitchenCraft Stainless Steel Fish Poachers. The KitchenCraft Fish Poacher is ideal for medium-sized whole fishes to prepare them deliciously and healthy. The professional kettle can be used on your stovetop, INCL, induction stoves. As poaching fish is done with lower temperatures, the pot can also be used in your oven without being damaged. The lift-out drainer plate lets you take out the whole fish conveniently without making it fall apart. Your steamed fish looks perfect and delicious when served. The pot's fish stock can be used for a tasty sauce to complete your healthy low-fat meal. The fish poacher is made from solid stainless steel, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. The sturdy welded handles let you lift the pot and drainer tray easily. With just 4 pounds empty weight, the fish poacher is not too heavy. KitchenCraft gives you a 15-year guarantee for this quality steamer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.